an AI-generated post for your viewing pleasure. Unleashing emotions. Introducing GameVibe, the next big thing in effective game research. The world of gaming is about to change forever. With the introduction of the GameVibe corpus, we stand at the brink of a revolution in how we understand player engagement and emotion. This groundbreaking dataset doesn't just scratch the surface. It dives deep into the raw emotional experience of gamers, reshaping the landscape of both game design and effective computing. Buckle up, because this is something every game developer and researcher needs to pay attention to. All right, now that we have set the stage, let us dive into what GameVibe is all about and why it is such a monumental achievement in the world of effective computing. Imagine being dropped into the heart of a digital battle, bullets flying, and enemies closing in. As you navigate the chaos, your heart races and your palms sweat. But what if there was a way to quantify those feelings? This is exactly what the researchers from the University of Malta have set out to do with the GameVibe project. By capturing viewer engagement during gameplay across 30 different first-person shooter games, they aim to redefine how we comprehend players' emotional experiences, revealing intricate aspects of human-computer interaction. The GameVibe corpus is more than just a collection of data. It serves as a critical resource for understanding the dynamics of player emotions. As gaming platforms rise in popularity, the research community is tasked with unraveling the psychological complexities that come with these experiences. This study marks an important step forward, paving the way for deeper exploration of how digital interactions evoke emotional responses, which ultimately influences game design and enjoyment. Before we explore the nuances of the GameVibe corpus, let's break down some essential concepts. Effective computing is the interdisciplinary study of how machines understand and respond to human emotions. In this context, viewer engagement refers to the emotional involvement and responsiveness that players experience while watching gameplay videos. Additionally, the first-person shooter genre stands out due to its immersive gameplay, where players interact with the virtual environment through shooting mechanics. Understanding these terms is crucial as we examine how the GameVibe project captures player emotions using sophisticated methodologies and careful dataset construction practices. By annotating emotional responses in a structured way, the research team has produced an innovative dataset that holds significant implications for both the research community and game developers. Now that we have laid the groundwork, let us shift our focus to the technical contributions this dataset offers. We will explore what makes it unique and why it could be a game changer for researchers and developers alike. The GameVibe corpus is a pioneering project that integrates high-quality audiovisual content from 30 different first-person shooter titles, providing a total of 2 hours of gameplay footage specifically tailored to analyze viewer engagement. What distinguishes this dataset is its rigorous selection process. Each video features less than 15 seconds of non-gameplay footage. Every frame delivers pure gameplay action, showing only what players experience in the heat of the moment. The collection involved 20 carefully chosen annotators, ranging from students to experienced researchers. These individuals provided continuous engagement labels using the rank trace annotation tool on the PAGAN platform. This setup ensures that every shift in their emotional state during gameplay was captured in real time, offering a dynamic look at player experience. Additionally, to ensure that the emotional reactions were truly representative, multiple quality assurance tests were executed. The results revealed significant inter-annotator agreement, affirming the credibility of the data generated. There's also a strong focus here on the diverse experiences within the FPS genre. The corpus showcases various art styles from realistic to stylized graphics and spans modern to retro game releases. This variety helps illuminate how different design elements and gameplay modes impact viewer engagement, which is essential for crafting enjoyable game experiences in the future. A substantial part of the dataset includes the extraction of latent representations from audiovisual stimuli. Using leading-edge models such as video-masked autoencoders and BEATS, the research team guarantees that the GameVibe effort is more than mere footage. It dives into the detailed analysis of visual and auditory elements to yield deeper insights into player emotion. Having explored its technical contributions, let us now place GameVibe within the broader research landscape of effective computing. We will discuss its relevance to current developments in this exciting field. This work is both timely and necessary. The rapid growth of the gaming industry has increased the demand for research-backed frameworks to study player emotions. While previous studies in this area have provided valuable datasets, this new creation balances high-quality stimuli with thorough evaluation, filling gaps often left in existing research. The launch of the GameVibe corpus heralds a new era for understanding emotions in gaming. Unlike more traditional media, games engage players in multifaceted and intricate ways. This complexity demands specialized datasets that can dissect the emotional nuances of gaming experiences. By also pinpointing potential biases during dataset creation, this study highlights the importance of methodical approaches in ensuring broad applicability across genres and audiences. This foundational work is crucial for elevating machine learning models and improving game design practices based on real player experiences. GameVibe emerges as a robust reference point for future studies focusing on emotional modeling. It offers a high-quality platform for exploring human emotions in gaming contexts. Researchers and developers leverage this corpus, which could lead to a remarkable increase in engaging and emotionally impactful video games rooted in informed emotional intelligence. In conclusion, the GameVibe project is set to make significant waves across the gaming industry and within academic circles. By trailblazing the way in capturing and analyzing player emotions, this initiative is not just a dataset, it is a powerful instrument for understanding the depth of human-computer interaction within first-person shooter games. With quality assurance protocols firmly in place and a diverse array of stimuli, the project promises to yield exceptional insights into how games elicit emotional responses in players. As we look ahead, the challenge for researchers and developers will be utilizing this resource effectively, applying the insights gained from the GameVibe project to enhance user experiences in gaming. The potential to improve player engagement and satisfaction is immense, and we are eager to see the incredible advancements that will come from this groundbreaking research. Join the conversation and share your thoughts about how GameVibe might transform gaming. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more discussions about the fascinating intersection of gaming and emotion.